Hi everyone. We're going to present our idea, Symptom Checker APIs for Patients, which we will be calling Well-Wisher, inspired by our strong belief in the statement, the greatest wealth is health. The first question is obviously, why do we even need Well-Wisher? Well, according to a research brief by the Network for Excellence in Health Innovation, and as reported by the research news outlet NPR, 25% of existing health cases can be self-treated or can be treated through teleconsultation, saving us 18 billion US dollars per year in healthcare expenditure. Haven't all of us tried to research our symptoms on the internet at one point or another? Well-Wisher is the ideal API to assist patients in preliminary diagnosis. It contains all the healthcare essential APIs, which helps with the quickest, smartest, and easiest way to identify your health conditions and learn whether you need medical treatment on a single call. It also has multiple free and open source alert systems like Telegram bot, Slack bot, Discord bot, etc., which helps increase the feasibility of the application. Our API also provides the nearest healthcare center for treatment purposes, which is especially useful when it comes to unknown locations. We have developed an easy to use web page to assist you in this. It's quick and simple so that we can help you while keeping the hassle to a minimum. Why do we think that Well-Wisher is socially relevant today? After the last year, we've seen the importance of a proper healthcare system, which is affordable, reliable, and can be accessed remotely. Well-Wisher not only helps everyone in making sure that their needs are properly met, but also relieves some pressure from our already overburdened healthcare system. Now you might be wondering, what our API offers that sets it apart from the similar existing APIs? Our core technology is science-driven and built on the firm foundation of the latest medical papers and internal research. Keeping the comfort of our users in mind, Well-Wisher is entirely open source. It offers easy integration with multiple platforms and also ensures complete data privacy, as well as total anonymity. As discussed, it has multiple options for alerts. It is also reliable as it is trained on an authorized dataset. It is very user-friendly. You can even directly access Well-Wisher using your details from Postman. We've also created a handy user guide documentation for integrating any bot with Postman, which can be very helpful to those who are new to the platform. Preliminary tests can be taken at your own leisure and in any place you feel comfortable. It's highly scalable because of its open source nature. We've no doubt seen the latest developments in healthcare in the form of wristbands, which monitor multiple health parameters. We want to use this technology in coordination with our API to develop a system that can automatically sense the parameters and also help us identify any health issue in the user. A larger, more extensive data set can be created and used to identify the issues present with greater precision. We can add more functionalities and increase scalability. Voice assistance features can be added to our system to improve accessibility. After the past year, we've not only seen the importance of proper healthcare systems, but also dearly realized the need for accessible, remote, and reliable healthcare systems, which is why we believe that our project Well-Wisher can be really impactful and helpful today.